Families come in all shapes and sizes. And when families thrive, so do children. But sometimes families and children struggle. The Academy for Child and Family Well-Being at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln wants to help all families live healthy and fulfilling lives.
When the youth is functioning well in the community, that youth and family are functioning equally as well.
The Academy for Child and Family Well-Being forges unique partnerships on projects that help families and children succeed. One of those partners is Boys Town. The Nebraska-based organization provides residential and community resources for at-risk children and their families across the country. Boys Town and UNL join forces to provide evidence-based research on strategies that work.
What we're trying to do is build the evidence base for these programs so that we know that they work, we know with whom they work, and we have the resources to continue to expand and serve more kids and families.
It has become, a very large natural laboratory, and everybody benefits.
Research measures the effectiveness of programs like On the Way Home.
Oh, that was a big one.
Breanda Lee spent 2 years at Boys Town. An On the Way Home family consultant helped her adjust when she returned to the community.
If it wasn't for the On Your Way Home program, I would probably be back in the system.
My family wouldn't be where they are today without that program.
In our first randomized trial, we found that kids in On the Way Home were 3 times more likely to stay at home and 5 times more likely to stay in school than kids not receiving the program.
UNL research also teams up with public schools to study health literacy among teenagers and to connect parents of children with behavior problems to parents who have had similar experiences.
Well, I understand. I know. You're showing them someone else has been through this. Someone understands me. I mean, really understands me.
This is a federally funded study by the Department of Education to see just how well does this work for families? What are the effects of a program like this, and how can we make it sustainable?
The Academy also prepares a new generation of professionals. Students at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln benefit from hands-on experience.
We teach them how to work with applied research. It's an opportunity that they haven't had before, so that when they leave here, they've got employment skills, leadership skills, they've got networking they didn't have before.
Just as families come in many forms, solutions aren't one size fits all. Finding ways to help families succeed takes research, collaboration, and a passion for helping others.
It makes the University of Nebraska-Lincoln stand out in the national research community.
The Academy for Child and Family Well-Being, only at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln.